Hey guys, my name is Ashley Lyon and I'm going to be an instructor for this course. I just wanted to take a minute to welcome you to General Psychology here at Forsyth Tech. This is my first semester here at Forsyth Tech, so I'm going to do this exciting journey with you. If you would, the first thing that I need you to do is to go into your Blackboard account and take the enrollment verification assignment that is going to be a discussion board. You can find that under the Start Here link on Blackboard. So you should all have access to that. You have my contact information also on the left-hand side of Blackboard. My email is dlyon@forsythtech.edu. My office location is 528 in the Technology Building. And you can also drop in for me with office hours. I have some Zoom office hours for those of you that can't make it to campus or can't make it to campus during regular office hours. We've got several announcements that I'll be sending to you on a weekly basis to keep you caught up, because this is an 8-week course and it moves kind of quickly. So I will be sending you frequent reminders and updates to keep you up to date and to keep you participating in the class. A little bit about myself. I have a community college background. I went to Wilkes Community College. Loved general and developmental psychology. I took both of those there online. Fell in love with it. That taught me my drive and my success and my study skills that I needed to be where I am today. So I'm happy to be with you in a community college, trying to instill some of those same values that I gained from a community college. Transferred and was originally going to UNC Charlotte, but I ended up at App State. So I'm a proud Mountaineer. Bachelor's in Psychology and Master's from Appalachian State University, both. Master's in Higher Education, Bachelor's in Psychology. I've been teaching at some of the local community colleges. I've taught at Wilkes Community College, Catawba Valley Community College, Caldwell Community College, and Surrey Community College. I've served in various roles in higher education administration at Appalachian State University. I've worked with general education. I've worked with the Beaver College of Health Sciences and with student employment in their Career Development Center. So I've got a little bit of experience all over the place. I've been in healthcare as well as the hospitality industry. And now I'm here in higher education as a faculty member here at Forsyth Tech. I'm excited to be with you. I'm excited for the semester. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please email me, dlyon@forsythtech.edu, or you can give me a phone call. So I look forward to this wonderful semester with you guys. And please feel free to reach out. I'll be in touch with you, sending you updates and emails. So be sure to look out for those. And if you need anything, please just let me know. Let's have a great semester.